In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana to improve the resolution of your Google Earth images. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a basic Google Earth export and enhance its clarity using the Nano Banana Create Image feature inside Google Gemini, with settings that favor detail and accuracy. First, open Google Gemini in your browser. Once you're in the app, head to the Tools area. This is where Gemini groups creative utilities, and it's the quickest path to the image features we need. Inside Tools, look for Create Image. This is the Nano Banana option we'll be using. Even though it's called Create, it also does an excellent job at smart enhancement when you give it an input photo and a clear prompt. Before you add your image, switch the mode from fast to thinking. You'll usually see a speed or quality toggle near the top of the interface. Click fast to open the choices, then select thinking. Thinking mode takes a bit longer, but it prioritizes reasoning and fidelity, which tends to yield cleaner lines, more legible map details, and fewer artifacts, perfect for satellite and aerial imagery. Now add your Google Earth image. Click the plus icon next to the prompt field, then choose Upload Files. Pick a Google Earth export from your computer. For best results, start with the highest resolution you already have and avoid heavy compression. If possible, use an image without labels if you want a more natural look, or with labels if you plan to keep them. They influence how the model interprets edges and text. Next, write your prompt. Keep it specific about the goal, improving sharpness, enhancing fine textures like roads, buildings, shorelines, and preserving natural colors without oversaturation. You can pause the video here and copy the example prompt shown on screen. A concise directive prompt usually works best. Mention things like upscale and clarify details, reduce compression noise, and keep geographic accuracy, and note any elements you don't want changed, such as labels or water tone. With your image attached and prompt ready, click Generate. Give it a moment to process, especially in thinking mode. When the result appears, you should notice crisper edges, improved contrast in terrain and structures, and reduced blockiness from the original export. If a particular area still looks soft, small wording tweaks in your prompt, emphasizing edges, textures, or label preservation, often make a noticeable difference on the next pass. That's all you need to enhance a Google Earth image using Nano Banana in Google Gemini. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your sharper, more detailed maps.